boss, this is Alice from Autoking, a car supplier from China, your reliable partner. This one, M100 refrigerated truck with 4x2 light truck and Euro 6 emission standard. It has 120 horsepower. Its refrigerator cargo box have 18 cubic meters, 3 doors, 1 side and 2 back. According to the customer's requirements, the temperature can be controlled between minus 15 degrees and 10 degrees. You can see the single row cab with 3 passengers, full LCD dashboard with manual driving, multimedia and reverse video. If you want to buy, please contact us via Autoking. Bye bye!